Now we will discuss the role of the mineralocorticoids in regulation of the sol balance. Now we already know the mineralocorticoids is important hormone for sodium and water reabsorption and expansion of the ECF volume. So variations in the aldosterone secretion is only one of those factors which affect the sodium excretion. Not only that, not only aldosterone, there are other important major factors which are GFR and ANP, atrial natriuretic peptide, presence or absence of the osmotic diuresis or osmotic diuretics in the renal tubule, and the changes in the tubular reabsorption of the sodium independent of the aldosterone. Now, it takes some time for the aldosterone to act because we already know there is genomic function and non-genomic function of the aldosterone in the previous video. Now, when one human rises from its supine position to the standing posture, the aldosterone secretion increases and the sodium is retained from the urine. So whenever we are in static position from an ambulatory condition, so aldosterone secretion increases and sodium retention increases. Now what happens? However, there is decrease in the sodium excretion by the action of this aldosterone and mineralocorticoids. This develops too rapidly to be explained solely by the aldosterone secretion increase alone. That means not only the aldosterone but also these factors are very much involved in the retention of the sodium. So the primary function of the aldosterone secreting mechanism is the defense of the intravascular volume, and it is only one of those homeostatic mechanisms involved in this regulations. So whenever we will talk about the renal physiology or glomerular filtration rate in the next class or the renal physiology class, we will see how much this GFR affects the sodium and other electrolyte and water balance or homeostasis in our body. Now we will discuss the summary of the mineralocorticoid excess and abnormalities. In case of the excess mineralocorticoid secretion or hyperaldosteronism, there is potassium depletion. We already know that there will be much more sodium retention in exchange of the potassium and H+ ion. So potassium depletion and sodium retention, and it is usually without edema because there is acting escape phenomena by the actions of the ANP. But with weakness, hypertension, tetany, polyuria and alkalosis occurs. So therefore, increased mineralocorticoid secretion, the clinical features are weakness, hypertension, tetany, polyuria, alkalosis, and all those are together due to low potassium concentration in the extracellular fluid. Now, this condition of excess mineralocorticoid secretion may be due to the primary hyperaldosteronism or secondary hyperaldosteronism. The primary hyperaldosteronism is also known as Conn syndrome, C-O-N-N'(S), Conn syndrome. So what are the examples of this primary hyperaldosteronism? Adenoma of zona glomerulosa, unilateral and bilateral adrenal hyperplasia, adrenal gland carcinoma, GCD or glucocorticoid remediable aldosteronism or GRA. What is GRA? We will discuss it in the next class. Or it is also called ACTH sensitive aldosterone synthetase enzyme. So in all of these cases, the renin secretion is depressed. And in case of the hyperaldosteronism secondary type, here the high plasma renin activity is seen. In reverse condition or contrast condition of the primary hyperaldosteronism, where the renin secretion is depressed, here the plasma renin activity is pretty much high. And it is caused by, number one, the cirrhosis of the liver, heart failure and nephrosis, and also the increased renin secretion is seen in case of the salt losing form of the adrenogenital syndrome, because there is decreased ECF volume and renal arterial stenosis or constriction. And also in this adrenogenital syndrome, we already know in my previous note that there is 21 beta hydroxylase deficiency. Ready? So primary and secondary hyperaldosteronism is very much important. The first one, the primary hyperaldosteronism, is called the Conn syndrome, and the secondary hyperaldosteronism, in contrast condition of the primary hyperaldosteronism, is increased plasma renin activity, which is not seen in the primary hyperaldosteronism. So what will be the effect of the deficient mineralocorticoid secretion by the adrenal gland? Remember, it is also one of the condition which is seen in the primary adrenal gland insufficiency. Remember, adrenal gland insufficiency is also called the Addison's disease. Due to the disease process which destroy the adrenal cortex is known as the Addison's disease. This condition is used to be a common complications of the tuberculosis, but now it is usually due to some autoimmune inflammatory conditions of the adrenal gland. What are the clinical features of this primary adrenal insufficiency? This gland, adrenal gland, we know secretes three types of hormones: mineralocorticoids, glucocorticoids, and the sex steroids. So here, in the context of this chapter, mineralocorticoid, we will talk about how the adrenal insufficiency clinical features look like where there is decreased mineralocorticoid production. Here, the patients will lose weight, they are tired, they are hypotensive, they have small hearts. Because they are hypotensive, there is low blood pressure, the cardiac chambers is small in size, the muscular contractility is low, so therefore the heart muscles is small in size, small hearts. Due to hypotension decreases the work of heart. Now eventually there is severe hypotension occurs and there is shock, which is again called the Addisonian crisis, cause there is not only the mineralocorticoid deficiency but also there is the glucocorticoid deficiency as well. So please remember, in case of the primary adrenal insufficiency, it is one of the three conditions where there is mineralocorticoid deficiency. The patients are losing weight, they are hypotensive, they have small cardiac muscle size, or they have the shock in extreme conditions. Thank you all for watching this video. If there is any question or any query, please feel free to ask me in the comment box or in my WhatsApp. Thank you.